In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to buy Toncoin using the Tonkeeper wallet. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Tonkeeper wallet. Launch your Tonkeeper wallet from your device. On the dashboard, look for the Buy and Sell option and click on it. Step 2. Choose the Buy Ton option. You'll see a list of options, but since we want to buy Toncoin, locate the Buy Ton section. If you don't see the option you like, click on Show All to see more choices. Step 3. Select your payment method. If you want to use a card or bank transfer, select Transact. You'll get a warning that you're about to be redirected to an external app not operated by Tonkeeper. You can choose Don't Show This Again if you prefer, then click Buy Ton. Step 4. Set your preferences. Currency. The default is in euros, but you can choose any other currency. Payment method. Choose a payment method such as Visa Card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. For example, if you select Visa Card, you'll see the transfer fees and how much ton you will receive. Step 5. Complete the purchase. After reviewing your settings and ensuring everything is correct, click Buy Now. Verify and authenticate your payment. Once the transaction is completed, the Toncoin will be credited to your Tonkeeper wallet. And that's it. This is how to buy Toncoin using your Tonkeeper wallet. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.